How to apply for a Temu Delivery driver. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to apply for a Temu Delivery driver. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to check for eligibility to become a Temu Delivery driver. So for that, you simply need to open any browser and you can go and search for the Temu Delivery eligibility. So first of all, you can visit the TMU website. Simply, you need to look for careers or driver opportunities section. And the step two, you need to have the application process. Simply, you need to fill out applications, submit the required documents, and after that, you need to check backgrounds. But before that, make sure you are at least 18 years old, have a valid driver's license. Also, you need to ensure access to a reliable vehicle that meets TMU standards. Not only that, you have to have a smartphone for using the delivery app, navigation, and customer interactions. After you are eligible, you can come through this process of a background check, vehicle inspections, training, set up your schedule, start delivering, and many more. Here it is given the benefits of being a Temu delivery driver as well. Simply, you can go through all these websites and know how to apply for a Temu delivery positions. So, at the end, you should be approved by Temus, and after that, you can easily apply and become the delivery driver on Temu. So that's how you apply for a Temu delivery driver person. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.